If you didn't already know, the Springmaid Pier was basically obliterated during a hurricane a few years ago. And since then, we've been waiting and waiting and waiting for the pier to be rebuilt. Well, the time has come. They are actively constructing a new pier. Right there, you can see it in the distance, in the place of the old Springmaid Pier. So let's get a closer look and see where they're at with their progress. You can see a lot of construction material has been stockpiled adjacent to the hotel that the Springmaid Pier is behind. It's interesting that they actually built a ramp from the beach up onto the pier to deliver the materials they need to install the piles for the new pier. We're going to get a closer look in a second. There's a closer look to the actual pile installation, and as you can see by the red flag right here, it was a very windy day, very rough waters, no swimming recommended per that flag. A lot of people still at the beach though. It looks like not much linear pier has been installed thus far, but we'll keep checking in and I'll show you guys their progress. On a side note, across the street from the pier is a art museum, and there's a really interesting exhibit out in the street. There you go, art museum. It's a big octopus filled with what looks to be trash. So take that metaphor as you will, and until next time, I'll see you guys later.